Hello students, today I am Nikantpal from DP Sindhwani Amateur. In my today's video, we will discuss the writing portion, and in writing portion, I'll explain you the analytical paragraph. I know this analytical paragraph, it's a new topic for you as you have already read in your previous classes about the paragraph writing, how to write a paragraph. This is also a paragraph, but here the only difference is that it is an analytical. Means here you will write a paragraph on the basis of analysis. So let's proceed the topic. What is an analytical paragraph? An analytical paragraph is a form of descriptive writing which is written on the basis of given chart, graph, outline, clue, table, data, etc. So in the question paper, you will be given a chart, paragraph, outline, claim, table, data, etc. On the basis of these information, you have to write an analytical paragraph. When writing an analytical paragraph, one should remember to describe the facts which is given in the question paper in the best possible manner and to cover the information. So you have to write a paragraph on the basis of chart, paragraph, outline, clue, table, data, etc. And you have to write all the information in the proper analytical form.
Features of an analytical paragraph writing. First, it describes the given chart, table, data, graph, and clues, etc. So, the analytical paragraph describes the given chart, table, data, graph, and clues in the question paper. Next, it should be brief and comprehensive, include complete information at the same time. So, the paragraph should be brief and easy to understand, which include all the information given in the question paper at the same time. It should state facts that are provided by the chart. So the paragraph should be state facts that are provided by the chart. Here you will not add something by your own, like in creative writing sometimes the students they write their own ideas, but here you will not give any ideas, any observation from your side. It is necessary to make use of simple and accurate language. And next, it is very important while you are writing an analytical paragraph, your language should be very accurate, simple, so that it is easy to understand. It should mention figures, quantities appropriately, and you are required to mention all the figures and the quantities which are given in the question paper. You will not write any quantities by your own. It is appropriate to use the same tense throughout the analytical paragraph. So while writing the paragraph, you should use the same tense throughout the paragraph. No personal observation or response should be provided. As I told you, in paragraph writing, sometimes paragraph writing you are writing something creative, but here you will not write anything creative. You will not write any personal information, observation, or response. It would be preferable to use the passive form of the verb. So while writing the paragraph, you should use the passive form of the verb. Now we'll see what is the format of analytical paragraph writing. So here is the format. An analytical paragraph shall be divided into three parts. First is introduction, second is body of the paragraph, and the last one is the conclusion. And in previous class also you know how to write a paragraph. Same way here also the paragraph is divided into three parts. Now we will discuss the format of analytical paragraph writing. As we know, the paragraph writing is divided into three parts. The first is introduction, second is body, and the third is conclusion. Here in analytical paragraph also there is a format of first is introduction, then the body and the conclusion, divided into three parts. The introduction explain in one or two lines the subject of the graph given. And the next is body. It explains in detail what the graph is about. Use relevant figures, explain trends, make comparison and contrast. Divide into subparagraphs if required. So here you will give the relevant information, you will make comparison, you can make contrast and divide the paragraph into sub-paragraph. The last part of the paragraph is conclusion. As we know, conclusion is the very important part of the paragraph writing. At last, you have to conclude the paragraph by giving the overall view or summary of the graph. Now we will discuss some useful tips for writing an analytical paragraph. For starting an introduction, you can start with the following phrases like the chart given above describes, the table suggests, the line graph shows, the data given provides information about, the pie chart illustrates, etc. So these are the phrases you can start your introduction of your paragraph in such way. So making your analytical paragraph more effective, you can describe the following things in such ways like for describing trends, you can use phrases and words like a pattern of growth, rapidly doubled, striking, increased, peaked, soaring rates, decline, starting to rise, starting to fall, drop down slightly, etc. So these are the phrases you can use to describe the trends. The next is for describing quantities. Use various styles like 48% off, one third off, nearly one fourth off, almost 80%, majority, on average, twice as much, almost, equal, the highest, the lowest, very close to, 2%, roughly, approximately, 5% off, just under 3%, etc. So, while describing the quantities, you can use such styles. Now, for establishing a relationship or contrast, use phrases and words like a relationship between, similarly, in contrast with, in comparison to, but in the opposite case, however, whereas, when it comes to, as opposed to, while striking differences, noticeable differences, etc. So, while describing the relationship or contrast, you can use these phrases in your paragraph. For the conclusion and other connecting phrases, use overall, subsequently, in all, in a nutshell, for the chart given, in short, striking, changes, including, therefore, etc. So, while concluding your paragraph, you can use these phrases to give a more effective to your paragraph. So students, in this video we discussed what is an analytical paragraph writing and what is the format of an analytical paragraph writing and what are the useful tips to write a perfect and effective paragraph writing.